Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, my and your YouTube cooking channel. So, following our multiple smoothie recipes, I got another one. We got one kiwi mango smoothie. Very creamy, tropical mango, acidity from kiwi, just nice. So, as all our smoothies, we're gonna start with 2 handfuls of spinach. You can use rucola as well. I use always spinach because for me it's much more easy to find them. Also in summer there are more rucola, I guess. Now we're gonna add 2 kiwis. We're gonna add the use of 1 lemon. Yep. Now we are gonna add 500 milliliters almond milk, and you can use also coconut milk if you want to, and try to use a non-sugared one, and 1 banana. Yeah, this time it's only a single banana. So this we are gonna blend it, and just let's go. So after while blending it, we are gonna add around half an avocado. This is around 100 grams frozen avocado, and also 300 grams frozen mango. The frozen fruits we are gonna add it once the fresh things are blended. So I add my avocado, and now the full 300 grams of mango frozen. You can use natural mango and just frozen, and that's it. So now we're gonna blend it, let it smooth, and that's it. We got the best team in the world, which is Real Madrid. And so I hope you like it, enjoy it. Take care, everyone. Cheers.